Hello everyone, welcome again to your channel Maths Guide. In this video, we are going to learn the basics of financial arithmetic in a simple and easy way. We will cover important concepts like cost price, selling price, market price, profit loss and discount. These topics are essential for school exams, competitive tests and everyday calculations. So stay with me until the end and let's make financial arithmetic easy to understand. Now very important two concepts, selling price and cost price. The price at which an item is sold is called selling price and the price at which an item is bought is called cost price. Now let's learn what is a profit and a loss. Okay, we have profit when our selling price is greater than cost price. It means the price at which the person is selling item must be greater than the price at which it is bought. So selling price is greater than cost price means we have profit. The difference of the selling price and the cost price will be profit. And if the selling price is less than cost price, it means you have loss. So it means the cost price is greater than selling price, that's why it is a loss. It means an item is bought at higher price than the price at which it has been sold. Now take an example. The cost price of an item is 60,000 and the selling price is 65,000. Here the selling price is greater than the cost price. It means we have profit according to this. As you can see, selling price is greater than cost price, we have profit. And the difference of selling price and cost price will become profit. Otherwise, if cost price is greater than selling price, the difference will be the loss. Now let's start exercise 1.14 of your textbooks Mathematics 7. This is question number 1. If the cost price is rupees or dollar or whatever currency, 450, selling price is 560. Here, first of all, we have to conclude that whether there is a profit or loss. Here the selling price is greater than the cost price, as you can see, so it must be a profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. This is the basic formula you have to write and learn in every question. And when we will subtract them, we will get 110 as a profit. Now take another example. Here the cost price is 1230, selling price is 1180. Here the selling price is less than the cost price, so there is a loss. It means we will convert our formula, we will write cost price minus selling price. That is the difference is loss, that is 50. Now let's learn what is the marked price and what is discount. Marked price is the price which is written on an item when it is in display. When you see in a display that it is an item and the price written on it is called marked price. And the price at which it is sold is called selling price. The difference of marked price and the selling price is called the discount which has been offered to a customer. For example, the marked price is 4,550 and the selling price is 3,950. It means a person or a customer has been given a discount. Actual price of an item is 4,550, but it has been sold at 3,950. It's not a loss. Here again a person gains some kind of profit but in a little amount. But when he offers any discount. So discount is marked price minus selling price. So the discount offered is 600. I hope you understand these three concepts. Now exercise 1.14 question number 3. While solving any word problem related to cost price and selling price, we must understand it first. We have to mentally judge which is the cost price and which is the selling price, so can we easily come to the conclusion we have a profit or loss. For example, in this question, Majid bought a book for rupees 2500 from a bookstore. It means it's the selling price. A bookstore bought this book for rupees 2200. Initially it was bought at 2200. So it means it is a cost price and later it was sold at 2500. Did the bookstore make a profit or loss? Here the selling price is greater than the cost price. Obviously it's a profit. Now let's calculate what amount of profit and loss here is. The cost price is rupees 2200. Selling price is rupees 2500. So as the selling price is greater than cost price, here is a profit. We will subtract them and the difference is called profit, that is rupees 300. Now again a very important two concepts, that is profit percentage and loss percentage. To find out the profit percentage, we will divide the amount of profit with the cost price. Remember, we will always use cost price in this formula. We will never use selling price. So when we divide profit by the cost price, and we will multiply the answer with 100% to find out the percentage. And as you all know, the profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. This amount will be written here. And to find out the loss percentage, instead of profit we will write the amount of loss, and again it will be divided with the cost price and we'll multiply by 100% to find out the percentage. And as you all know, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Now exercise 1.14, question number 5. Hamza bought a sack of rice for rupees 12,000. Find selling price if he got a profit of 4%. You can understand it with the concept that Hamza is a shopkeeper, and in a shop he bought a sack of rice for rupees 12,000 to sell it. When he sold it, he got a profit of 4%. It means the selling price must be greater than the cost price. So here the data which we have been given is the cost price 12,000, selling price is not known, profit is again not known, but we have been given a hint, that is profit percentage. The percentage which has been given is a hint because from this hint we can conclude the amount of profit. When we will have an amount of profit, it would be easy for us to find out the selling price. So the formula for profit percentage is profit divided by cost price into 100%. Let's put the given data in this formula. Profit percentage is 4%, profit not given, and the cost price is 12,000. Now we will use this formula to find out the profit. Here we have been given. This into 100% have been transferred here because the percentage sign is already written over here. So we not need to write again 100% over here. So we will convert this 4% like 4 over 100 is equal to profit over 12,000. Now we will move this 12,000 to this side to find out the profit. Here the 12,000 has been divided by the profit, but when we will shift it to the other side of the equality sign, it will be multiplied by 4 by 100 like this. 4 by 100 into 12,000 is equal to profit. Here on this right hand side we have only profit as we have shifted 12,000 to the left hand side. When we will solve this, we will get the profit, that is 480 rupees. When we will add this 480 to the cost price, we will get the selling price. So selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, that is 12,000 plus 480. This is selling price 12,480. It means the selling price is 12,480. When we will subtract the cost price from this, we will get the profit of 480. So this formula is very important to find profit and loss if it is not given. Now exercise 1.14, question number 7. A shopkeeper bought an aquarium for rupees 7,000 and sold it for rupees 10,000. It means 7,000 is the cost price because it has been sold for rupees 10,000 later. So 10,000 is selling price. Find the profit percentage. Here we have been given the cost price and the selling price, and we can easily conclude with whether it is a profit and loss. So here we have a profit again. So let's find out what is the profit. So cost price is 7,000, selling price is 10,000. So the profit is the difference of these two values, that is 3,000. And we have to find out the profit percentage. Again we will use the formula, that is cost percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100%, and we have all the values. We have profit and we have cost price, and we will multiply it by 100% to find out the profit percentage. Putting the values, dividing it by 1000. Now this 3 will be multiplied by 100. We have 300 over 7, and when we will divide them, we get 42.86%, round off to 2 decimal places. You can see the working over here. This is the division of 300 divided by 7. So we have 42.857, which is then rounded off to the 2 decimal places. So it means the profit percentage is 42.86%. Now question number 9 of exercise 1.14. The question is Salman bought a sofa set for rupees 25,000 and sold it for rupees 20,000. It means the cost price is 25,000 and the selling price is 20,000. As the selling price is less than the cost price, what do you say? It's a loss or a profit? Yes, it's a loss. And we have to find the loss percentage. And we all know what is the formula to find loss percentage. Let's start. The data which we have been given is cost price, selling price. Loss we have to find out and loss percentage also. Now let's first of all find out what is the loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. As the cost price is greater than the selling price, so it's a loss. The difference between the cost price and selling price is rupees 5,000. Now let's put the value of loss into the formula to find the loss percentage. We will write the value of loss, that is 5,000, divided by the cost price, which is 25,000, into 100% to find out the percentage of loss. Now divide by 1000 to simplify it. Now this 5 is multiplied by 100. We get 500 divided by 25 and answer is 20%. So the loss percentage is 20%. Now exercise 1.14 question number 11. If the mark price of an item is 7,690, mark price is the price which is initially written on an item which is being displayed for sale, and the selling price is rupees 7,000, and it is the price which has been, the item has been sold, and it is after the discount. So as the initial price is 7,690 and it has been sold at a discounted price of 7,000, what is the discount? So as you all know, the discount is the difference between the mark price and the selling price, and the discount is 690 rupees. Now question number 13 of exercise 1.14. Minahal bought a dress for rupees 3,200. If the loss is 8%, then find out the selling price of a dress. Here we have been given the cost price, and Minahil had a loss of 8%. You have to first of all find out the amount of loss, or then we have to find out the selling price. Cost price is 3,200, selling price is not known, loss is also not known, but we have been given the loss percentage. Now from this loss percentage we can easily find the amount of loss. Loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price into 100%. Now as we have been given the loss, that is 8. Now we will not write 100 over here, as we have been written the percentage 100 over this side. So you have two options, whether you write the 100 over here in the denominator with 8, or you can write 100 over here. There are both options available. Now we will have to find out the loss. First of all, we move this rupees 3,200 to this side, and as it is divided on the right hand side, it will be multiplied by 8 on the left hand side. So when it is multiplied by 8, we get 8 into 3,200, and this 100 will be divided on this side. As here it is being multiplied, so on the other side it will divide. Here we can solve this side to find out the loss. After solving this side, we get 256. So the loss is 256. If we have been the loss have been known to us, now we can easily find out what is the selling price. Selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. So 3,200 minus 256 is 2,944. We subtracted here to make the selling price less than the cost price. So we will not add it. Now exercise 1.14 question number 15. Iman purchases a heater for rupees 4,600 and sells it for rupees 4,500. So it means Iman purchases a heater of 4,600. It means the cost price of a heater is 4,600 and the selling price of heater is 4,500. If the selling price is less than the cost price, obviously she had a loss. She buys an oven for rupees 14,500 and sell it for rupees 14,000. Again, she had a loss. On which item does Iman bear less loss? Iman had loss in both situations, while buying the heater or while buying an oven. But we have to find out the name of that item at which she bears less loss. So we have to find out the losses in both cases. In first case, the cost price of a heater is 4,600, selling price is 4,500.
Loss is cost price minus selling price, that is rupees 100 in case of heater. In case of oven, the cost price is 14,500, selling price is 14,000, loss is 500. And the question was, on which item does Iman bear less loss? So Iman bear less loss in heater. So we can just write the answer like this: Iman bear less loss in heater. Okay, this is the end of my topic regarding selling price, cost price, profit loss, profit percentage, loss percentage, mark price, selling price, and discounts. You have to learn all the definitions from the book and also try to solve the examples given in your textbooks Mathematics 7. Now, my next video will be about exercise 1.16, that is about zakat and ushr. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my video.